Decoding the word, export. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to dive deep into the word, export. You might have come across this term in various contexts. It's time to decode its meaning and understand how to use it in sentences. Let's jump right in. Export is a word that primarily refers to the action of sending goods or services to another country for sale. For example, if Japan sells cars to the United States, we can say that Japan exports cars to the US. It can be used as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, the export of chocolate from Switzerland is very popular. As a verb, Germany exports machinery to various parts of the world. The term, export, has its roots in Latin. It is derived from ex, meaning out, and portar, meaning to carry. So, when you think of export, think of carrying something out of one place to another. To get a better grasp, let's look at some sentences. 1. The country aims to export more agricultural products this year. 2. Our main export is coffee, which is sent to numerous countries. 3. To boost the economy, the government is offering incentives for companies that export their goods. Exporter, a person or company that exports goods or services. She is a major exporter of handmade crafts. Exportation, the action of exporting goods. The exportation of spices from India began centuries ago. Import, the opposite of export. It refers to bringing goods or services into a country from abroad for sale. The country imports a lot of electronic goods. And there you have it. We've demystified the term, export, for you. Now, you not only know its meaning but also its origin and how to use it in various contexts. We hope you found this explainer useful. Keep tuning in for more interesting insights into the English language. Happy learning!